How to redeem codes in Monster Legends. So the title does say that, but basically just to inform especially new players or starters. So in Monster Legends, unfortunately, there is no official way to redeem codes in this game. There aren't even existing codes in Monster Legends yet, and if you have been given these kinds of codes, then you have most likely been lied to or basically just been duped. But unless it's been officially stated by Monster Legends in their officials, then you could go ahead and do so. But as of now, there is no way to redeem codes in Monster Legends, and Monster Legend codes does not even exist. But that's pretty much the only information we can give about this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.